In this video, learn how to use Degree Planner to create schedules of classes to see what you need to take each semester and year at Illinois State University. Degree Planner is available at any time throughout the year, so every student has a pathway to graduation. Users are encouraged to use Degree Planner to prepare for registration, decide whether to withdraw or not, plan for graduation, or explore alternative major and minor options. To access Degree Planner, log into my.illinoisstate.edu. Begin by opening a web browser. Navigate to my.illinoisstate.edu. Then click the button that says Central Login. Enter your ILSTU email address in the Sign-in field. Click the Next button. Enter your password in the Enter Password field, then click the Sign In button. This will open your my.illinoisstate.edu homepage. Click Student Center. In the Student Center, click the Advising/Academic Progress tile. Click Advising and Planning on the left side of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Click Degree Planner. This will open a welcome screen for Degree Planner. Click the View Tips button to view tips on using Degree Planner. We recommend not immediately selecting the checkbox next to Skip this message in the future, simply to keep the option for viewing tips at later times if needed. Once you are comfortable using Degree Planner, feel free to select this checkbox to no longer have the option to view tips. Click the Continue button to open the Degree Planner page. This will open the Degree Planner in a new tab. This tab displays courses that you are currently enrolled in and possible future courses that you are not currently enrolled into. On the Degree Planner page, view information such as your cumulative GPA, the status of credit hours that are completed, in progress, planned, and remaining. As you add classes to the planner, the numbers will fluctuate. For example, if you have a certain number of remaining units and you add classes to planner, the remaining units will decrease. The status of courses, courses that are currently being taken, and scrolling down, courses that can be taken in the future. Listed at the top of the screen next to Degree Planner is your major. This is a drop-down menu. If you have a second major, minor, etc., they will be listed in this drop-down menu as well. In the Past Courses section, view the overall statistics of your courses. All courses lists the number of courses that have been and are currently being taken. Past will list all courses that you have passed. Click the Open button to display your course history. Use this page to view the course number, course title, requirement fulfilled, grade earned, term during which the course was taken, the number of units earned, and the status of the course, whether you passed or failed, or if it was passed due to transfer credit from a different college, university, or community college. You may see a warning icon for a course. It will look like a yellow triangle with an exclamation point. Hover over the icon to read the warning. You can also click on the icon to open and read the warning in a pop-up window. At the top right of the screen is a bell icon. Click on this icon to read any alerts and warnings that may appear as you experiment with the courses in Degree Planner. If you are enrolled in a future semester, they will be listed on this screen along with past courses you have taken. Blank rows indicate that you haven't enrolled in a course yet and suggest possible course types to take. In a blank row, click on the Edit Course button. This will open a window with a list of suggested courses that fulfill the requirement of the row. Use the search fields to filter your results by subject, career, and course attribute. Additionally, use this window to confirm that you do not take a course that you have already taken by looking for the word Repeat next to the course title. Use the Academic Career drop-down menu to filter the types of courses you see. For example, select Undergraduate so you do not see 400 level courses. The Prerequisite field allows you to view a list of courses that all require prerequisites prior to enrollment. Please note that this filter option simply shows courses that require prerequisites. This does not show courses that you can enroll in based on the prerequisites you qualify for. Simply select the Select button in a row of a course you would like to enroll in. Please note that this does not indicate that the course is available to be signed up for. This is simply to suggest possible courses that can be enrolled into. So, a course that you wish to take. Scroll down to a semester. Notice that the total allotted credit hours for a semester are 16. You can change the number of credit hours taken during a semester. At the upper right of each semester is a Max Units field. Click on the pencil icon in this field. This will open the Edit Units window. In the new Max Units field, change the number to the updated maximum number of credit hours you wish to take. You are limited to the max number of units per semester, which is 18. Only an advisor can go in and override the max number of units. Drag and drop courses between semesters to move when a course will be taken. Select the Preview Plan button to view your current degree planner without the extra buttons to edit your plan. Click the Degree Planner link to return to the original Degree Planner screen. Degree Planner can be used to see what classes can be taken if a new path is taken. So if you wanted to see what would happen if you changed when you took certain classes, or if you decide to change your major or minor. Next to the Degree Planner at the top of the screen, click the drop-down menu to start a new path or What If path. First, let's click New Path. Use New Path if you would like to see what your future course loads would look like if you changed when you took certain classes. This will open the Create a New Degree Path page. In the title field, enter a title for this path. Then, click the Create button. This will open a Degree Planner page with the courses that are currently in place. Use this page to move courses around or enter new courses. You can enter courses for the summer to see how it looks and see if it allows you to graduate early. If you would like to see the progress you would make if you were to choose a different degree, return to the drop-down menu next to Degree Planner and select New What If path. This will open the What If page. In Step 1, first select a career such as undergraduate or graduate. Click the Next button. Next, select the term and year you are starting the What If path using the Start Term drop-down menu. Choose the academic program, plan type, and academic plan using the drop-down menus provided. Click the Next button. Lastly, enter a name for this new path. Then click the Create button. A Verify Path Results message will appear. Click the OK button. Move courses around, select courses for different semesters. See what different courses you would need to take for this newly selected major. In the upper right of the screen, select the red Path Actions button. A drop-down menu will display with other actions that can be taken with this new path. Additionally, you can select the Reset option to reset all of the changes made in this newly created path. In the Reset Path window that displays, click the Reset button to reset all the changes that you have made in this path.